want caramel custard?
Ini tak payah queue.
Stick one. The beef stick is apa dan kau nak? Dan.
Dan mushroom soup lah.
Okay, one mushroom
Gancam
soup lah.
Mushroom soup. Oh, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Soup panas-panas sedap. Oh, thank you, very nice.
Thank you.
Macam mengancam
Next level, babe.
Allahu Akbar. Punya mashed potato very silky smooth.
Sedap.
Sedap, kita cakap sedap.
Mana bagi?
Ini freshly made eh?
you fresh make ah?
Oh, tak payah queue.
Aku cakap tak selesa pada julung datang.
Iya kak?
Iyalah.
Sedap. Lepas with potato tu, ya Allah.
Apa nama?
Caramel custard. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, baik.
Sedap ah?
Dia bukan macam sedap, dia sedap. Tak payah nak queue panjang-panjang. Sini Al-Wadi, tempat western kedai dia. You can do this for buka. And they close at 3 AM in the morning. Can come for sahur also. Chef, sedap ni pasal chef. Can I get one to take away?
Okay, I tell you what. 2 packet.
Thank you, very nice.